Welcome to 2025 Motorhome Tips, where we bring you the latest and most exciting updates from the world of motorhomes. Today, we are diving deep into the ultimate luxury experience on wheels at the 2025 Kenworth Motorhome. If you thought motorhomes were just about functionality and comfort, this masterpiece will redefine your expectations. Designed to offer the highest level of sophistication, space, and cutting-edge technology, the 2025 Kenworth Motorhome is a rolling palace that promises an unparalleled travel experience. The exterior alone is enough to turn heads wherever it goes. Built on the legendary Kenworth truck platform, this motorhome carries the brand's signature bold and powerful stance. The sleek aerodynamic design is complemented by high-gloss paint finishes, chrome accents, and LED lighting that gives it a futuristic appeal. The large panoramic windshield ensures a commanding view of the road, while the side mirrors and cameras offer enhanced visibility. The automatic hydraulic leveling system ensures a stable setup no matter where you park, making it the perfect companion for long road trips and off-grid adventures. Stepping inside is like entering a five-star hotel on wheels. The expansive living area is designed with premium materials, from handcrafted wood paneling to the finest Italian leather seating. The open floor plan seamlessly integrates the lounge, kitchen, and dining area, creating a spacious yet cozy environment. The plush recliners and a large entertainment system with a 65-inch 4K smart TV and surround sound make for the perfect relaxation space. Ambient lighting, customizable through a smart control panel, sets the mood for any occasion, whether it's a romantic evening or a lively get-together with friends. The kitchen is nothing short of a culinary haven, equipped with state-of-the-art appliances, including a full-size refrigerator, induction cooktop, convection oven, and even a built-in espresso machine. It allows travelers to prepare gourmet meals on the go. The marble countertops and high-end cabinetry add to the luxurious aesthetic. A spacious dining table, which can comfortably seat 4 to 6 people, ensures that every meal feels like a fine dining experience, no matter where you are parked. Moving towards the rear, the master bedroom is a sanctuary of comfort. A king-sized memory foam bed with premium linens ensures restful nights, while ample storage compartments and a walk-in closet offer space for all travel essentials. The bedroom is equipped with a private entertainment system, climate control, and soundproofing for the ultimate relaxation. Large panoramic windows bring in natural light during the day, and blackout shades provide complete privacy at night. The bathroom is designed to rival those found in luxury hotels. A full-size walk-in shower with rainfall and massaging jets, a porcelain toilet, and a high-end vanity with a backlit mirror create a spa-like experience. The heated flooring and towel warmers add a touch of indulgence, making it feel less like a motorhome and more like a personal retreat. Technology is at the heart of the 2025 Kenworth Motorhome. With an advanced smart control system, travelers can manage lighting, temperature, security, and even appliance settings through a touchscreen interface or a mobile app. The motorhome is equipped with solar panels, a lithium-ion battery system, and a powerful generator, ensuring energy efficiency and independence from external power sources. High-speed internet connectivity and satellite TV make it easy to stay connected, even in remote locations. The driving experience is as premium as the living quarters. The Kenworth platform ensures a smooth and powerful ride with its high-performance engine and adaptive suspension system. Driver assist technologies, including lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, and collision avoidance, make long journeys safer and more comfortable. The cockpit features a digital instrument cluster, a large infotainment display, and ergonomic seating that reduces driver fatigue. For those who love adventure, this motorhome comes with an optional garage space, perfect for storing motorcycles, bicycles, or even a compact car. The exterior also features an extendable awning with built-in lighting and an outdoor entertainment system, making it ideal for outdoor gatherings. The 2025 Kenworth Motorhome is more than just a vehicle, it's a statement of luxury, comfort, and freedom. Whether you're traveling across the country or enjoying a weekend getaway, This masterpiece ensures that every moment on the road feels like a first-class experience. With its blend of cutting-edge technology, high-end materials, and thoughtful design, it sets a new benchmark for luxury motorhomes. Thank you for joining us on this journey inside the most luxurious Kenworth motorhome ever built. Stay tuned to 2025 Motorhome Tips for more in-depth looks at the latest and greatest motorhomes. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel so you never miss an update. Until next time, happy travels.